Guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within.
Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to identify the tools and materials for carpentry. So ano? Tara! Tools and materials. Ano? Tara! A Phillips screwdriver has a cross-shaped tip that fits securely into screw with a cross-slot head. This design prevents slipping and makes fastening more efficient. Tri-square. The tri-square is used to mark and check right angles on wood. It ensures the accuracy in joint and help maintain straight aligned cuts. A hammer is used to drive nails into wood and other materials. Its sturdy design also allows it to remove nails when needed. Pull-push rule. The pull-push rule is a retractable measuring tool for quick and accurate measurement. Carpenters use it to mark length before cutting. Cross-cut saw. The cross-cut saw is designed to cut wood across the grain. It produces smooth edges that make boards easier to join. A concrete nail are hardened to pierce masonry and concrete. They resist bending and are ideal for attaching wood to solid surface. Umbrella nails have a wide head shape like an umbrella. They are used to secure roofing sheets and prevent them from pulling through. Tack screw are self-drilling fasteners that can pierce metal without pre-drilling. They save time and are widely used in roofing and sheet metal work. Wood screw are threaded fasteners that grip wood securely. They are commonly used in furniture making and wooden structure for strong joints. Doorknob. Ano? Tara! So, a doorknob is a round handle attached to a door. It allows the door to be open, and closed, and sometimes locked for a